This is a 2021 GMC Sierra Elevation Crew Cab Gray over gray interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, OnStar, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, leather wrap steering wheel, trailer brake controls, traction control, electronic climate control, heated seats, satellite radio, Bluetooth for your cell phone. There's a look at the rear seat. Running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hitch, backup camera, lockable tailgate. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles and AutoNation Honda, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.